Hi, this is Barrett at the 5th World Parkinsons Congress in Kyoto, Japan. I'm here early and was able to sign on to a GeoFit training program and tour company that allowed us to get around Japan a little bit to see what's going on before the Congress starts. It starts tonight.
Hey, I'm Luke Barrett, and we're out here in Kyoto, Japan with a GeoFit retreat for the Congress of Parkinson's.
Can't go right down, just take the biggest step possible. Can't go right.
Hi, I'm Linda Denny from Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm a rock steady ready.
I'm Gloria Moon, Indianapolis Rock Steady headquarters. I'm Rock Steady.
I'm Preston Moon from Indianapolis, Indiana headquarters. Rock Steady, boxing. I am Rock Steady ready.
Hi, I'm Pam from Los Angeles, and I'm a Rock Steady spouse, and my husband is sleeping off a big night in Kyoto, and I am Rock Steady.
You are.
I'm Tyler from Boston, and I'm Rock Steady.
I'm Barry Cleveland from San Luis Obispo, California, and I am Rock Steady ready.
Hi, I'm Pat Palcott from Tampa Bay, Florida, and I am Rock Steady.
John Palcott from Tampa, Florida. We are rock steady ready.
Yes.
So here we are in Nara, which is near Osaka in Kyoto, and we're looking at the Togaiji Temple here, and inside is the biggest Buddha, I think, ever. We'll find out.